What's up, guys, with another YouTube video today. Yeah, you see that's normal, right? Ooh, looks a tiny bit different. Yeah. Don't know if we should charge it when it's open. I'm doing it. I'm done. One sec, sorry. Three, two, one. Let's go. Look at that. One sec. One sec. Ooh, that's cool. But there's one thing we have to do. Well, when it keeps doing that, it keeps rebooting some reason. So one of these parts isn't letting it work. So let's find out what one. Let's get the screwdrivers. Alright, guys. So I've got all the screws right here. Here it is. We all know the classic part: the cameras and the battery. Everyone knows. So first, let's see what parts need cleaning. Oh, the battery needs to be cleaned. Seems like every single thing is good, but come back in part 2 to find out if we get it working off camera, maybe. Who knows? Or on camera.